Hi, my name is Nikhil Taneja, and today I'm going to be going over the tram bus stop design for my group. Our group members are Ryan, Jane, and Anna Sophia. To the right, on the bottom right, you can see a picture of the bus stop I will be going over later that me and my group have created. So, for the location of this project, we decided to do the stop by a national museum in Finland. It was finished in 1916 and is a very popular spot. So, building a bus stop here would be a very good idea due to the enormous amount of local traffic. This museum building is made mostly of Finnish granite, which gives it a strong castle like look, and it has a tall tower with steep roofs and rough stone walls, which make it look like an old Finnish castle. The style is called National Romanticism, which was designed to reflect Finnish history and nature. A tram bus stop here would also increase accessibility for visitors, making it easier for people to go to different parts of the city to see the museum. It would support sustainable transportation while connecting people directly to a place of cultural significance. So, for climate context, the climate in the region of Finland can be described as a cold and temperate one. So, mainly cold temperatures with snow at certain points. And due to Helsinki's high latitude, they can receive up to 19 hours of daylight in the peaks of June. But on the other hand, in winters, it's very dark, having only around 6 hours of daylight on average. October tends to be Finland's rainy season, with average rainfall of about 3.5 inches and about 14.5 rainy days out of 31, so around half. Due to the fact that daylight varies in the winter and summer, we should implement solar panels to power the lights when the nights can last up to 18 hours in the winter. So for the living building challenge, it requires us to generate all of our own energy, capture and treat water, and operate as a self-sufficient regenerative structure. To help meet these requirements, we're going to implement solar panels to capture energy to be used for lighting and other components in the bus stop. To deal with the capture of water, a gutter system will be put in place for roof water runoff to be directed away from the stop into a storm drain. I'll be showing that later on in the bus stop rendering. Another one of the living building challenges is that we want to make the bus stop out of non-toxic materials such as concrete that is strong and will stand for a long period of time. Over time, the stop can use its own energy and direct rainwater away to make it self-sufficient. Concrete also doesn't require much maintenance compared to other non-sustainable choices, and it is better material to help prevent flooding and extreme heat. So just to go over more of the living building challenge, we go over place, water, energy petal, health and happiness petal, materials petal, equality petal, and beauty petal. Each one of these being a different component for our bus stop, just to make sure that we have the most sufficient bus stop while also maintaining a good look, structure, and place. So for the building standard, we focus on human health and well-being in buildings. Looks at air, water, light, nourishment, movement, thermal comfort, and mental well-being. To meet all of these standards, we are doing concrete structure, implementing glass windows with rubber seals, which are both non-toxic, to let sunlight into the structure. That will be on the roof of the bus stop. We could also implement plants and vines surrounding the stop, which can be watered by the rain and used as an aesthetic of the building. So also to meet these standards, we have no vending machines. We will incorporate signs and ads, access to fresh, clean water, and good ventilation design to make a fresh and healthy airflow. So for leadership in energy and environmental design, we focus on meeting sustainable expectations, such as energy efficiency, water conservation, material selection, and quality and location. So with this, I'm going to be showing you the design my team has created. Here you can see the big, large ad sign, which will generate money to keep our bus stop running and always adding improvements and maintenance. So on the roof of the bus stop, you can see we have a solar panel along with glass paned holes in the roof to allow ventilation, as well as we have a water bottle filling station along with plant next to it for aesthetic and material purposes. On the back, you can see our water gutter, which will collect the rainfall and go down into the storm drain from anything it collects, as long as another ad on the back to make sure that our profits are going into maintenance and redevelopment of our structure. We also have a bench here that provides good waiting area for people that need to use our bus stop, and that is our project. Thank you.